Suara Gracia FM, the sound of life. God is a stronghold. Hello and welcome to English Time, your ultimate English learning hangout, where we chill and chat about the hottest topics in town. I'm Audrey, and I will be your companion for the next 1 hour from 8 to 9 p.m. A very warm welcome to all of you, my amazing keluarga Gracia. Wherever you are, whatever you are doing tonight, I hope you are having a fantastic time. Grab your favorite cup of tea or coffee, get cozy, and let's improve our English together. Well, keluarga Gracia, have you ever scrolled through your camera roll and realized you have thousands of photos, but you rarely actually look at them? Or maybe you are that person who takes pictures of literally everything before you even eat your food. Lately, I've been seeing this everywhere and it got me thinking, are we taking too many photos? Tonight, we are going to dive deep into this habit, explore why we do it, and of course, learn some cool new English vocabs along the way. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back after this. Welcome back, Keluarga Gracia in English Time program. Okay, so hi Miss Dwita.
Hi, Miss Audrey.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How's life?
Busy.
Okay.
So I went back and forth Jakarta, Miss Audrey.
Wow.
So I went to Jakarta last Tuesday
Okay.
because my daughters and my husband they were moving
Moving?
from the place they stay before to the house. Okay, and then so they needed my help.
Of course.
Because they thought the mother is very strong.
Yeah. That's why.
So yes, I was there until I think I was there until Thursday afternoon.
Okay.
So only 2 nights there, and then I went back home. And then I went back again on Saturday morning. Saturday
Okay.
morning, and then what did I do then? I forgot. Well,
So many things to do.
so many
for
things
sure.
to do, especially moving
Yeah,
things, moving things.
right.
And then on Sunday, I went to my nephew's confirmation day, peneguhan CD, ya,
Okay.
in one of the Batak churches there.
I see.
Yeah, and well, it was the second time for me to join the confirmation day. One was for my niece last year, and yesterday for my nephew.
I see.
And for my nephew, after that, we went to his house. So the mother is the sister of my husband.
Okay.
So we went to the house, and then we celebrated from two parts of the family. I
Okay.
mean, from the side of the the sister's husband,
Okay.
and also from the side of my sister-in-law. Oke, jadi from
Okay.
the marga dari suaminya dan juga marga dari dia sendiri.
I
Marga dari
see.
dia sendiri berarti kami gitu ya.
Yeah.
So my husband, my my kids, also my, what do you call it? The cousins of my husband, the
Okay.
wives, and then the one of the younger brother of the father of my husband.
Okay.
Okay, so it was not a nice day actually. It's
Okay.
very hot. Jakarta
Yeah.
is very hot.
Yeah. Hot and dry.
Hot and dry, and you know, especially if the house doesn't have the air conditioner,
My
yeah,
God.
they use the fan, and the fan was occupied by certain group.
Oh, wow.
Nggak
Okay.
muter jadi fan-nya
Yeah.
ya, oh panasnya luar biasa. So the actually we can say the party was over at 5, and then we went home. And then actually I want to tell you about the things happened in the church, but that is in the second session.
Okay.
It's very suitable for the second session.
Okay.
Well, and then today, Miss Audrey, in the morning, I had to wait in the house in Jakarta until the two persons finished installing the kitchen set.
Oh my God.
You know, I went back to Cirebon with the train 3:45. Jam
Wow.
3:45 keretanya. So I came back
So
here.
what time did you
I arrived
arrive?
at 6:20.
Okay.
6:20, and then I took a walk to Bubur.
Hey.
I bought
Still
some
have
bubur.
time.
Yeah, still have time. I bought some bubur and then I went home. Jalan kaki deket kan ke rumah. Okay, just like that. And then I took a bath, etc., etc., and then I came here. That's a busy day.
Wow, that's why you told me busy.
Busy, yeah. Busy, but actually not really consuming my energy.
Yeah,
Because today was only waiting and waiting.
just ya.
Hanya nunggu ngeliatin gitu.
Jadi sebenarnya ya hanya menghabiskan waktu
Yeah,
saja ya.
spending the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I was glad because I was accompanied by my youngest daughter. She's in the holiday from the campus,
Yeah.
and then I was there with her. Well, we did nothing, just watch the movie and then talk things about the movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
She is the youngest, ya masih muda ya, jadinya belum bisa diajak bicara yang agak-agak gitu.
Beda ya.
Beda dengan kakak-kakaknya. So that's okay. Having 3 daughters with different rentang usia jauh-jauh ya.
Yeah, yeah.
So I have wonderful experiences with them. Kadang yang satu udah nggak begitu, ini baru mulai.
Iya, baru
gitu ya.
Kayak ngulang lagi gitu ya.
Ulang lagi. I repeat it 3 times.
Iya.
But that's okay. So, well, I'm here now, and tomorrow morning I will go there again.
Oke, wow, yay, Miss Rita.
Well, yes. What can I say? So that is how I live in 2 cities. So I always told my daughters and my husband, so appreciate my presence.
Of course, they have to.
Yeah, so just like that. Mereka mereka manjain saya ya kalau udah di Jakarta gitu.
Yeah.
No, you don't need to pay. For example, going to the restaurant. Udahlah mama aja deh. Ya udah terus didiemin udah.
Ya udah terus ini tetap aja.
Tetap aja mamanya yang bayar. Things like that ya. Terus kalau jangan ke situ mahal. Kadang kita mau makan di restoran cuma makan siang aja, kenapa harus yang mahal gitu ya.
Yeah.
Emangnya yang bayar siapa gitu
Ya.
kan?
Tanya dulu.
Ya, mereka udah kerja kan, jadi perasaan harus mereka yang bayar. Oke gitu ya. Terus tapi ya nggak enak juga ya, Miss Audrey. Kasihan juga gajinya seberapa sih?
Bagaimanapun juga anak ya.
Iya gitu, walaupun dia bilang seperti itu. So that's about my activities last week. Weekend, Miss Audrey.
Okay.
How about you?
Okay, for me, actually, there was no that busy weekend, but today is my it is actually our first real school day.
Oh, okay. So
So-
last week was not the real one.
Last week still in MPLS, and
I see. Okay.
they can go home early.
Okay.
So today we already have a full schedule.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's just like a daily school day. Yeah, and then usual school day, and yeah, because I teach a new grade for me.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, so of course, like I have to prepare more than usual.
Oh, okay.
Like before, I just like saw the book, open the book, and then okay, I will teach this, and this. But now, because it is like the end of this primary, so yeah, it's like they will have a school day only shorter, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
So I have to prepare everything,
Mm-hmm.
but because it's just only in the beginning, so I still give them like, okay lah, masih ada sedikit kendor-kendornya, maksudnya.
Okay.
Okay lah, walaupun di awal pertemuan waktu like last Thursday,
Mm-hmm.
I already gave them the multiplication,
Wow.
yeah, and the division,
Oh, okay.
just to remind them actually, yeah, because these two subjects actually really important in math.
Yeah, that's
Right?
right. That's right. That's right.
Kalau kamu nggak bisa perkalian,
Oh,
bagaimana
susah.
kamu bisa pembagian?
Yeah, that's right.
Right? And then so nowadays I was just like tarik ulur,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, and I still have to know them
Oh,
one by
one
one,
by one.
right?
How many students in your class?
21.
Oh,
Yeah,
lumayan banyak ya.
yeah,
21.
lumayan. And I've never teach them before.
Yeah, that's right.
Jadi benar-benar ini seperti penyesuaian buat kita masing-masing.
Yeah, that's right. So all of you have to adapt, yeah, each
Yeah.
other.
Yeah, we have to adapt each other. But it's okay lah, because sepertinya anak-anak ini nih, actually they are really a good students. Just usual student, right? Sometimes they just talk in class. Itu kan cuma ya itu sudah biasa kan,
Yeah,
hal-hal yang
yeah,
umum
yeah.
gitu. But I have to know them better.
Okay,
Right.
yeah, that's right. That's
Yeah.
right.
Tapi ya masih oke lah. I can handle.
Okay, good then. Glad to hear that. Because last week you said that, wow, this is the first time
Yeah.
facing the grade 6.
Yeah, but still my old students, when I was just pass by,
Their class, you mean?
yeah,
And then?
and they will Miss Audrey. Mau bolak-balik berapa kali pun Miss Audrey.
Selalu ya, oh.
Selalu.
They miss you so much.
Yeah.
Because it was their wishes, right?
Yeah.
That you would be their teacher again this
Yeah.
academic year.
So that's why some students just come to my class and Miss.
Oh, like that. Okay then.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so Keluarga Gracia, that's about our weekend. But before we continue to another segment, we'll be right back. Keluarga Gracia, okay, now is the segment 2. Okay, please, Miss Twita.
Okay, Miss Audrey, the thing that I wanted to tell you about yesterday, when I was in the church, Miss Audrey,
Yeah.
you know, the church was very, very full, very full.
Ah, okay.
The first floor, the second floor was very full. Because 2 services became one. 2 jam ibadah jadi
Why?
1. Karena lama. Because the children who joined the confirmation day, there were 87.
Wow.
87.
Okay.
Well, in my
Wow.
in the other church where Selin joined last year, 2 years ago, itu divided into 3 times
Okay.
ya. Tapi ini enggak sekaligus, mungkin biar sekalian capek kali ya.
Yeah.
Nah, jadi so many people, so many. And then after the what do you call the service, I thought the people from the second floor will go out.
Okay.
But no, they went down and then were sitting on the on the first floor. Ikutan duduk. Jadi yang keluar tuh ternyata cuma sedikit, yang nggak ada hubungan dengan yang lagi di peneguhan siding keluar ya. Oke deh. And then ceremony berjalan lancar karena ada Holy Communion.
Okay.
Kita nggak ikut nih karena bukan keluarga dekat orang tua, bukan ya. Oke. Nah, after that it was the time to take pictures. Right?
Okay.
Wah, menyerbu semuanya. So the stage was very very crowded. Even walking to that stage itu harus ngantri di antara di ganggang antara kursi itu kita harus ngantri untuk jalan ke panggungnya gereja itu dia. Oh my goodness gitu ya. Udah gitu kan semuanya pengennya fotonya di tengah ya, supaya salibnya di tengah gitu ya. And then I said, we don't need to do that. Udahlah, just take somewhere where you can see also the cross, but nobody at the back, gitu kan. That is the only thing that we can do. Atau kamu mau nunggu sampai semuanya itu lihat yang antri banyak sekali, luar biasa, Miss Audrey. And then when it is not enough only one picture, right?
Of course.
Maybe 10. Wait, gaya bebas.
Ayo gaya bebas. Lagi, ayo tunjuk orangnya.
Tunjuk orangnya. Tunjuk kamera. Oh my goodness. See that one pose needed 10 times, 10 or 12 times, right? Cekrek. Ya. Karena
multiply by.
Oh my goodness. Nanti mamanya aja gitu.
Nah, iya.
Oh with me only with me gitu. Nanti sama tantenya. Oke, yang anak-anaknya aja. Oh my God. So for one event, you know how many I had?
Wow. It must be so many.
Actually, only one camera ya, the camera of my daughter.
Okay.
But also my sister-in-law also, pakai kameraku.
Iya.
Kan? Jadi gantian kan?
That took longer.
That took longer, but it's okay. That took longer.
Yeah.
But after the event, semalam, kling, masuk tuh semua.
Minta dong, fotonya tadi ada di HP siapa aja?
Iya, padahal the same pose between my daughter's camera and my sister-in-law's camera.
But different lighting, different angle.
Oh my goodness. But that's okay lah ya, because it was the once in lifetime.
Yeah.
Peneguhan sini itu kan sekali seumur hidup. Okay.
Historical moment.
Ya. So okay lah. Gitu ya. Belum lagi yang we took selfies.
Yeah.
And then when we went to the acara di rumah itu, because those were special food. Foto.
Di foto dulu, jangan dipegang apa-apa.
Iya. Things like that. So I think you also have noticed, Miss Audrey, that almost everyone has smartphone with camera, right?
Yes.
So we take photos of our food, our pets, our vacations, even our coffee before we drink.
Yes. Of course.
Mumpung masih ada hatinya.
Even just usual coffee, Miss. Kayak cuma di cup gitu, itu juga di foto.
So I wonder, are we taking too many photos?
Of course.
Miss Audrey, how many photos in your cell phone? Let me check mine. You know mine?
How many?
114,000.
Oh my God.
114,806.
Okay.
Banyak banget ya.
Berarti aku masih okay ya.
It was all the picture, Miss Audrey. Itu semua gambar yang ada ya. Tapi in the camera that is 8,000.
Okay.
In the camera 8,000, dan di tempat yang udah diedit itu 4,000.
Okay.
Why I didn't erase the ones in the Snapseed in the editing file? Because sometimes I need it there. Sometimes in the camera I already put them in the computer, but in the Snapseed
but
I
still,
never. Because I needed that. I needed them because it was already edited.
Yeah.
Things like that.
But in my phone,
How many?
only camera 11,470.
So okay, keluarga Gracia, check your cell phone. Check your camera and the gallery, and then see how many photos in the camera. Only in the camera.
Only in camera.
Not in the download. Not in the screenshots. Not in the WhatsApp, itu
Yeah.
kan masuk semua
Yeah,
ya.
betul.
But only in the camera.
Only in
How
camera.
many? So tell
How
us.
many?
Okay, so well, that is that, Miss Audrey. That I wanted to tell you.
Yeah.
And then pasti banyak sekali ya apa foto-foto mereka gitu ya
Yeah.
yang kemarin itu ya. We took photos for almost everything, right?
Yeah.
And then sometimes we take photos before we enjoy the moment.
Yes.
Even yesterday, Miss Audrey, my husband, from the place where he was sitting, going to the stage itu sambil bikin video.
Oh my God.
So I wonder whether apa dilihat lagi nggak nanti ya, gitu ya.
That's the point actually.
Yeah. Okay. So Miss Audrey, my question: do you enjoy taking photos too?
Yeah, but sometimes ya, Miss, if I already enjoy the moment, I forgot to take a photo.
Oh yeah. Sometimes ya.
Yeah, sometimes kayak waktu last week on the second MPLS, I forgot to take a picture with the students. After they went home, oh my God. Because kan usually kan we have to like report to the parents, right?
Yeah, that's right.
What did we do on the second day or the first day, something like that. Kayaknya terlalu asik gitu. Jadi, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's right. And then, or do you prefer someone else to take photo?
No, I prefer selfie.
Ya, betul ya.
Selfie is better.
Yeah, that's right. And then, do you usually take photos because you want to remember the moment, or because you want to share it with other people?
I think because just to make my gallery full.
That's right.
Yeah, because sometimes after I took a picture and then I forgot to share it
Oh yeah.
until someone will say, "Ayo dong, bagi dong foto yang tadi."
Baru ingat ya.
Baru ingat.
So for me, Miss Audrey, I sometimes ask someone else to take the pictures.
Okay.
Because I was in that event. And then that is because I want to remember the moment.
Okay.
But later when I want to edit the photos and that is my job,
Yeah.
I need all the photos because I want to share it to other people.
Okay.
For example, if I had a workshop in my place, so my assistant she would take the pictures, all the pictures, and she already knows which angle which is best for me.
Yeah.
Dia tuh nggak mau ambil angle dari yang tempat lain karena dia sudah tahu angle
ya.
saya tuh sebelah sini yang bagus gitu ya. And then kalau sudah begitu nanti baru diedit and then I share whether in my social media or I share to the organizer and then they will share it again. So that is that. The taking pictures for remembering the moment and for sharing the with other people.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, so do you have a favorite photo, Miss Audrey?
Not really actually. Favorite photo? What do you mean?
I don't know.
Photo?
That you keep looking at.
My kids.
Oh, your kids?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
My children. Especially today, actually, because my daughter, it is the first day of her wearing senior high school uniform.
I see.
Yeah.
Oh, white and gray.
Yeah.
Finally.
So yeah, today the whole day I just like look at that again and again. She already high school.
That's right. So does she like that?
Yeah.
So you took the picture of her wearing the new
Yeah.
uniform?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because it's like already in my family when we enter to the new level, new uniform, we have to take a picture beside the piano.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
That is the tradition.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Since I was a little girl.
So you also took the picture of your daughter next to the piano also?
Yeah.
Wow. That's a nice tradition.
Yeah, and this morning before we went to school, the grandmother already said, foto-foto sebelah piano jangan lupa.
Yeah, the tradition continues.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, Miss Audrey, when was the last time you printed the photo?
Oh my God. I don't know.
Long time ago, yeah.
Long time ago, Miss.
Maybe before the phone existed, I think.
Yeah. Before the phone existed.
Wow, long time ago.
Long time ago.
I still printed the photos, Miss Audrey. That
Okay.
is, but I printed the photos on the sticker paper.
Yeah.
So that is for my journaling. That is for the sake of journaling, not for the photo album,
Yeah.
but for that.
Yeah, different purpose, yeah.
Different purpose. Okay. And then Miss Audrey, how many you have? 11,000.
11,000.
Have you ever looked again the first
One by one? No. Later, Miss, if I need a picture and then I remembered, I think it took when, and then I will scroll.
That's right. So, Miss Audrey, for me, in my cell phone, I can make the special photos with favorite.
Okay.
There is a favorite album. So when kalau mau melihat-lihat, pasti lihatnya ke album itu aja gitu.
Oh,
Pengen
karena
buka-buka
yang
lagi.
memang yang favoritnya ya.
Yang favoritnya, I have that one. It's very, that is easier for me
Yeah.
to see that. Well, I think many of us have that experienced that
Yeah.
kind of things, yeah. Maybe during the vacation, birthday
Okay,
party,
yeah.
or even a beautiful sunset.
Yeah.
When you were on the beach, nggak mungkin satu.
Of
Betul ya?
course. Yeah, betul sekali. Nggak mungkin satu. At least 3.
Ya, from one post.
Yes.
Satu post.
Padahal mah
poses-
ketika dilihat ya sama sih gitu.
Yeah.
Cuma kayaknya nggak puas aja kalau satu.
Yeah, that's right. So it seems that we are busy trying to get the perfect photo ya.
Iya.
Padahal setelah kita lihat-lihat lagi kayaknya mirip-mirip aja ya.
Mirip-mirip.
Paling beda di sedikit senyumnya,
Sedikit,
mulutnya
iya
ketarik sedikit
benar.
gitu-gitu.
Iya. Posisinya geser sedikit.
So do you think are we taking too many pictures?
Yeah, I
Miss Audrey?
think so.
Well, I think many of us wouldn't choose the most perfect photo. Yeah, we would
Yeah.
choose the one with the most meaningful memory.
Yeah.
So sometimes it is not about the quality of the picture,
Yeah.
but the story behind that picture. Sometimes like that.
Right.
Kita lagi ngapain sih waktu itu nih gitu
Yeah,
ya.
yeah,
Walaupun
betul.
mungkin fotonya agak burem,
Ya, itu.
kadang kan gitu ya. Selfie sebentar kirain udah oke terus jalan.
Iya.
Totonya momen itu yang paling oke, ternyata fotonya burem gitu ya.
Mending kalau burem, nggak kesimpen.
Oh ya, Miss Audrey, that happens for me if I wanted to take the video. Kirain udah gitu ya.
Kan?
Pas udah kelar, loh
Loh kok
merahnya belum
enggak
dipencet.
Nait?
Ya tadi nggak ada. Ya. Okay. So actually, the question of our title is: are we taking too many photos, or maybe the better questions is: are we full enjoying the moments we are trying to
Yeah.
remember? By the way, Miss Audrey, when you were in the concert of graduation, when you do you see that people see the event through the screen,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Jadi orang ngeliatnya dari layar
Iya,
ini.
iya.
Padahal itu kejadiannya di depan mata
Betul,
gitu ya.
betul.
Itu banyak sekali yang seperti
Betul,
itu ya.
iya, betul.
Actually itu sebenarnya sayang banget ya.
Sebenarnya malah they didn't enjoy the moment ya.
Ya actually
kan?
missing ya, they are
Iya,
missing the
missing.
moment ya.
Ha-ha. Nah, kalau udah acara-acara begitu, Miss, I almost didn't take the picture.
Iya, me too. Me
Iya.
too. Ya,
Benar-benar enjoy the moment gitu loh. Karena kalau udah sibuknya sama HP, ngefoto atau ngevideo gitu udah miss the moment, I think.
Yeah, that's right. So that's why, Miss Audrey, when my daughter had a ballet, performances, I always ask, is there a photographer there
Yeah,
that they can
yeah.
put in the disc? So if yes, okay, I will order that. I think
Yeah.
it is better for me
Yeah,
because I also wanted to enjoy the
yeah.
performance.
Right.
Especially it was very beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Semua
Yeah.
outfitnya gitu. Okay, keluarga Gracia. So take the photo, save the memory, and then enjoy the moment because one day the memory may become even more valuable than the
Yeah.
picture itself.
Okay, please, Miss Twitsa.
Okay, so this is about how to say it. So
Yeah.
today's words, number one is capture. It is about the taking photos. So capture verb, that is to take a photo or record a moment. For example, we captured many beautiful moments during our vacation.
Yeah, okay. The second one is memory. It is noun, something you remember from the past. For example, this photo brings back wonderful memories.
Okay, number three, snapshot. Snapshot, that is a quick photo. So let me take a quick snapshot before we leave.
Yeah. Number 4, scroll through. It means melihat-lihat di layar HP. For example, sometimes I scroll through old photos before going to bed.
Yeah. Number 5, cherish. Cherish, that is menghargai atau menyayangi sesuatu dengan sepenuh hati ya. We should cherish every special moment with our loved ones.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, next is the natural English.
Yeah.
So let's compare. We don't say take a photo. That is correct, but it is common. We don't say take a photo. We say snap a picture.
Yeah.
For example, let's snap a picture together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so second one, we don't say smile, but we say cheese.
Yeah.
Ya, ketika mau foto ya. For example, everyone say cheese.
And number 3, we don't say this photo is beautiful. No, we don't say that. We say this photo brings back memories.
Ya.
Artinya lebih natural karena menekankan kenangannya ya.
Ya, okay. Number 4, strike a pose. Ini bergaya untuk difoto. For example, come on, strike a pose.
Okay, and then number 5, we say you look great in this photo. We don't say you are beautiful, no,
Okay.
because natives prefer to say you look great in this photo or
Yeah.
you look amazing.
Okay, number 6, let's make this one count. Yuk buat foto ini benar-benar bagus atau berkesan. For example, everyone is here. Let's make this one count. Artinya bukan sekedar fotonya bagus, tapi momennya juga berharga.
Yeah. Okay, so what's the difference? Picture or photo? So both are correct, but people prefer to say, can you take a photo? While picture is more general. It could be a photo, a drawing, or a painting.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the last one, quote of the day. So quote of the day is take the picture, enjoy the moment, treasure the memory.
Yeah.
Or a little bit reflective. A camera captures a picture, but your heart captures the memory. Okay, so we have already learned this. Some useful words like
Yeah.
capture, memories, snapshot, scroll through, and cherish. We also learned some natural expressions such as snap a picture and say cheese. So we hope you will use these expressions
Yeah.
the next time you take a photo. Shall we close, Miss Audrey?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Suara Gracia. So thank you for joining us on English Time tonight.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation about the memories behind our photos and learned some useful English expressions along the way. So remember, photos help us remember special moments, but the best memories are made when we truly live them.
Yeah.
So keep practicing your English, keep making wonderful memories, and we'll see you again next week. Okay.
Okay, Keluarga Gracia, it's all about tonight. Before we leave, never stop learning. There is always one more thing to learn. Thank you for joining us. See you next week. God bless you all. Bye.
Bye.